everyone! Today I will be showing you how you can make an alternating fishbone pattern for macrame, wall hangings, and other designs. Let's get started. To begin, I went ahead and attached 8 ropes to a dowel rod using a lark's head knot. Now when we begin tying our fishbone pattern, we're going to think of our project in 2 sections of 4. So I'm going to take the 4 groupings here on the left and tie my first fishbone pattern. To do this, I just take the 4 ropes right here in the middle of that section of 4 and tie a square knot. Now I'm going to take the next 2 ropes next to the square knot and tie another square knot using these 2 ropes around those 2 in the middle once again. Repeat one more time with the next 2 ropes. And that is how you can make the fishbone pattern. So now we're going to repeat this little design using these 4 ropes here on the right. Just like that. And now to make the alternating fishbone pattern, we're going to be tying another one right in the middle. We're going to find the first 4 cords closest to the center. Now tie a square knot using these 4 ropes. Take the next 2 cords as we did before to tie another square knot. Repeat one more time. Just like that. And this is how you can make an alternating fishbone pattern. You can continue making this by moving down and starting here on the sides again. You can also make your fishbone patterns bigger by just adding more cords. I hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.